This video is on naming the intervals between root note C, or note number 1, and the other notes of a C major scale. Now the C major scale is all the white notes from C to C. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, or note number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And it's a really useful thing in music to be able to name the distance between two notes. There are different ways of naming the distance between notes, and the first way we're going to look at is the number of semitones. A semitone is the distance between every adjacent note on the keyboard. So from C to C sharp is a semitone. From C sharp to D is one semitone. From D to D sharp is one semitone. From D sharp to E is one semitone, and so on. So if two people were playing or singing the note C, here's my two fingers to represent two people playing or singing the note C, well, how many semitones are there between these two people or these two fingers? There's 0 semitones. There's no distance between them because both of them are playing the same note. However, if my pointy finger goes to note number 2 or D, there are now 2 semitones between these two notes. 0, 1 semitone, 2 semitones. So between C and D there are 2 semitones. Pointy finger goes to note E, note number 3. How many semitones? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 semitones. Do not confuse the note number with the number of semitones between the two notes. This is note number 3, but there are 4 semitones between note number 1, C, and note number 3, E. Move the pointy finger up. How many semitones between note number 1 and note number 4? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 semitones between C and F. Move the pointy finger up. How many semitones between C and G, or note number 1 and note number 5? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 semitones between C and G. Move the pointy finger up. How many semitones between C and A, or note number 1 and 6? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 semitones. Move the pointy finger up. Between note number 1 and note number 7, or C and B, there are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 semitones. And finally, move the pointy finger up to C. Between low C and high C, note number 1 and 8, there are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 semitones.